Welcome back to the garage. It's a nice cool day. I thought I'd get a little bit of sandblasting in while I can. And this will just be more of a fun little weekend project video because I wanted to see about that old Dana 41 diff cover and just how bad it could be. I had a hole in this one and I didn't want to mess with it because I don't have a welder. And ended up with this one, which is in much better shape anyways, but I wanted to find out just how bad this was because of the inside. So let's throw it in the blasting cabinet and see how it turns out. Well, that's very heavily pitted, and there's a couple more holes in it. So, yeah, that's no bueno. Yep, now that it's blasted, I am very, very comfortable, even more comfortable, I guess, with the decision to get another cover. The pitting is so deep on the inside that I get the feeling that if I started tapping on it with a punch, I'd go right through. I don't know, what else do you do with something like this other than recycle it? Hang it on the wall? I spy 3 holes. And if I had kept blasting, trying to get it perfectly clean, there would have been more. Yeesh, there's no threads left. Yep, that's wall hanger status just about. Almost looks good. Almost, till you get to this side. Dana 41 alternate ending. It just wouldn't have worked out. Kind of an interesting thought for a color scheme though. So I guess we have our answer. How bad can it be? Pretty dang bad. But at least I have a piece of wall art for the shop now. There's just no way that this could have worked. All the little pinholes. Yeah. But it's preserved for wall art. thanks for watching. If you found that interesting or entertaining at all, leave me a like, leave me a comment. It does help the channel grow. I promise I'm not really trying to delay the rebuild of that rear axle. It's over there. I've actually been working on it between other things on this video, but that video will come out soon, I promise. But thanks again. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye for now.